Hi everyone, today I've got an exciting recipe for you. We are making authentic Mee Pok Tar. Now when I say authentic, I really mean authentic because all these ingredients are from Xin Teochew Fishball Noodles, which you can now get online. Have it delivered to your home. You've got handmade fish balls, as well as your pork lard and your chili. So all you need to do is to put it together. You even have your mee pok. But of course, I'm going to show you a way of cooking it so that it's easy to cook for your whole family. As easy as making pasta. Okay, just loosen the noodles a little bit. So while the fish balls are cooking, we will marinate the minced pork. A bit of pepper, a bit of salt, sesame oil, corn flour. Mix it all up. Once the fish balls and dumplings are floating, they're basically ready. So just remove them. Minced pork. Okay, it's black vinegar, fish sauce, okay, off the fire. Good. Okay, so now we cook the noodles. Now these noodles are fresh noodles, so they only take 30 seconds to cook. So you want to have this ready. This goes into the water for 30 seconds, out, goes in, toss. Okay. Make sure the water is at a rolling boil, furious boil. Okay. In goes the noodles. Give it a quick stir. Just 30 seconds. Okay, done. Lau le.